Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I will be going to show you how to grow white sandalwood tree, that is chandan tree, and these are very sacred plants and lots of medicinal uses and some of the religious use also. This is the plant I bought from some nursery. It costs around 150 rupees. The secret is growing of this chandan plant or this Santalum album. Scientific name is Santalum album, and I will be showing you what is the best secret and nursery secret of growing chandan plant in your house. And you can grow from the seeds also. This is also easily available in Flipkart and Amazon. You can get from some small pea size of seeds here, and you can grow them and you can harvest around in 10 to 12 years. You can harvest wood from here. There are lots of essential fragrant oil and lots of medicinal uses, some cosmetic uses, some soap making, all are here. And I am showing you how to grow them. What is the top secret of growing this sandalwood tree? Many of the people growing in their wasteland and they are getting the plants. If you get the plant, you have to grow with some supporting plant, because these plants are semi parasitic in nature. They always need some support from these other plants. Then take some nutrients, and the seeds of these are very pea size small seeds. I'll show you how the seeds are germinated. Here I have grown some seeds, bought some seeds from Flipkart, and I am showing you the packet how a week back I have grown these seeds. This is the packet I have bought. 10 seeds packet I bought around 150 rupees, and I have grown them in some pots, small pots, and they will take around 1 month to germinate. I am taking out and showing you the seeds, how the chandan seeds look like. And this is the white sandalwood, and this is the seeds just I have grown a few days back. So this is all. Now I am telling you what is should be the actual soil mix for growing these plants. And here I am taken 70% garden soil and 30% compost, and this is the best soil mix. You don't have to mix much, but a little bit of small things you have to add here for the better performance of the plants. Just take a little bit of neem cake powder for protection from fungus or some of the nematodes. So you have to take some neem cake powder if it is available, and you may add little bit of groundnut cake powder, around 2 teaspoonful groundnut cake powder, or else you can apply some mustard cake powder. 1 teaspoonful will be enough for there, and that would be a nice soil mix for growing white sandalum. And add little bit of copper oxychloride. This is fungicide, chemical fungicide. Around half teaspoonful would be enough for mixing it here, and this will protect the plant from fungal infection. If you don't have, you can apply sap. This is some mancozeb and carbendazim mix, and any kind of fungicide you can apply little bit, so that the plants are not attacked or infected by fungus here. And for the small plant around 1 feet tall, I have taken 8-inch pot, earthen pot here, and the bottom hole is covered by small pieces of broken pieces of this pot. And now I am filling up with this soil. Around 50% of the pot I will be filling up with the soil, and now I'll be taking out the plant from this whole plant. Just see, this is the plant of this Santalam album, this is the white chandan, and this is the supporting plant. This is the tulsi plant. For support, always you have to give one support, maybe kajan, some other plant, or some, if the plants grown and big size, then you can give support of neem plant or some jhau plant or some this thuja plant. These kinds of support they need because they grow. This is the plant. Here you can see the roots grown from the plant have taken over the roots of this tulsi plant, and they take nourishment from the tulsi plant's roots. So this is the way they are the parasitic, and always you have to give some support. And here I am again adding one new tulsi plant here, so that can give you. And when you transplant it in 12-inch pot or 18-inch pot, you can give other dal plant or kajan, the lentils plant. This kind of plant you can grow along with them. Or if you want, if the plants is very big, you can give support of any of the neem plant, that is also nice, or thuja plant. And if you want to grow in ground, then you have to apply, give around 4 feet gap. You have to plant some neem plant or thuja plant also. This is all, and here now I am adding water, and I will keep the plants in semi-shade area for 3 to 4 days so that they don't get the direct sunlight. And this is all of growing them. And if you want to harvest chandan from here, you have to be big thick plant. You have to grow in a 100-liter drum, and in 10 years or 12 years time you can harvest chandan or sandalwood from these plants, and easy, and they you can earn around 2 lakh rupees per plant in a year, in 10 to 12 years. So this is all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please give it a like, get a thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.